Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Friday, February 17, 2023 on our planet. Let's do a daily brief tour, shall we? A few areas I want to go through. Let's start off with Tanzania. Series of earthquakes up to 4.9 at shallow depth. Next, in case anybody is wondering, this earthquake in South Carolina, a very shallow 0 kilometer depth, 3.1, is, just so you know, it's probably a quarry blast or a mining related blast. Next, New Zealand. One moment. So this one gets my attention. There's lots of seismic activity all along this fault line. Lots. This 5.1 stands out because they have it at 0 kilometers deep. Let's head up the trench. Now, some more tomfoolery downgrading going on. This came in as a 5.9 series of earthquakes. They've downgraded it to 5.3. So we still have lots of downgrading going on. Ongoing aftershocks, the band of C from the 7.6 earthquake in January. 6.2 at 10 kilometers depth. A quick check of our Cascadia slow slip tremors. Nothing of note. The usual grouping outside of Redding, California. However, on the north end of the Cascadia Subduction Zone. This is on the edge of the Explorer Plate, the north end of the Cascadia Subduction Zone off the north tip of Vancouver Island. Earlier on today, we had a series of 4.6s and 4.7s, shallow. Subsequent to that, we've had some additional 3.3s and 3.5 earthquakes. The reason why this stands out is we've had no tremor activity at North Cascadia, specifically Vancouver Island, for quite some time. When we do have a buildup of tremor activity, either Victoria, Seattle region or central Vancouver Island, eventually that built-up energy is released by a single low to mid-range 4 earthquakes. However, we have 5, 4.6, 4.7, followed by additional 3.3s, 3.5s. 6 of them. So definitely an area to watch for the next while. North end Cascadia Subduction Zone. Explorer Plate, so right up here. Now, a lot of these they put on the feed after the fact. So the Kuril Islands, 166 kilometers deep, a 5.3. This is the disputed islands between Japan and Russia. And again, folks, a lot of information is missing from here from these feeds. That's going to be it for now. I've already mentioned the spread of heat anomalies. Earlier today, along the coast of Maine, which are now been removed. So I know all these locations quite well. These are the oil and gas platforms here. This one, this heat anomaly is not. Off the coast of Brazil, right in the middle of all these undersea mounts. So again, I've been covering these for years. I know what to skip by and to ignore, such as the oil and gas platforms here. Maldives. These atolls are, of course, the top of volcanoes. Ongoing for about a year, heat signatures next to an undersea mount off the coast of Mozambique. That's it for now, folks. You might hear from me later.